Okay, so here's a little video I made with Harry upgrading the PC GPU. So you can see here was HP Pavilion TPO1. So it only had a 180 watt power supply in it. So I had to go onto here and I was checking power supply requirements and trying to find a half decent card with low power. So we were AMD Ryzen 7. So what I found was a 3060 550 watt power supply total power. So we did that and I looked for a power supply, so I found an HP replacement one, which was the M76033-001, which was a 500 watt, so that was compatible. So we installed that as the video showed. Now we've got everything all installed. There's the original built-in AMD Radeon. Now we've got the RTX 3060. So there's a little video follows. Right, project. Now how we upgrade the PC. So we've already put that new power supply in, upgraded from 180 watts to 500 watts, so we can put a graphics card in. That one. So let's see how all this fits and works. So you're going to hold that. How does these bits come out then? This is all new, but we're going to learn here, aren't we? That one clips. I think it's on the bottom here, isn't it? So it's going to go in that slot there, look. Right, that's what I've got, Harry. We got them knocked out.
Yeah.
We had to get them. I wasn't too sure on that. We just had to force those two out. So we've got that card in there. There's a graphics card with a cooling system. Our upgraded power supply. You hold that. I'll put this cover back on, please. How did that go on? Was it that way? Like that. There's a screw. And that, let's just leave the cover off and power up, yeah. Now, it's powered up. The fan's spinning, but it didn't work, getting anything on the output. So next thing is download the drive. Right, so we're powered up. I didn't get anything the first time, so I downloaded the NVIDIA app. Got the driver installed. Now we can see the graphics card and see our performance. Right, here we are. Medium settings, standard graphics card. It's not too bad. I'm getting shot. I'm gonna have to run. Let's see what's saved on the other card. Right, here we are on ultimate settings. The GTX 3060. Not quite a bit better. See if we can find some views to look at. Let's see all around out here. This one here. If I can get there before I get shot. Quite a difference, and when we get this new monitor, it's going to be even better, I think. There you go. Yeah, look at that. No, next one's a monitor. And then we'll all be sorted.